Walk on YouTube, you know it's your boy Click, man, and you're tuning into Click React. I seen that Skeng just dropped his video for Thug Life, you know what I'm saying? And I don't know if I've ever said this before, but I feel like Skeng was definitely one of the most promising new artists out of Jamaica, right? I think I don't remember anybody doing consistency like he did when it comes to hit songs. I feel like when he started naming songs after places, I think it definitely started going somewhere else, but the other music that came out with his debut, like some of them were obviously older songs, but that came out with him, back to back to back hits, that's like Vibes Cartel level, right? Obviously not musically, but just the fact that you're delivering hits like that. So I'm definitely excited to see what this video is about, guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know what you think about this video, man. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Oh, the visuals have been good with him too. That's one thing I noticed. The last song, which one was it? The last song that he did, that I actually did a reaction to that video too. What song was that? It was, hold on. Let me find that. Oh, New Era. New Era was super lit to me. I love the video concept of him just being in the video by himself and stuff like that. It was like, it was different. The whole entourage doesn't have to be there all the time. On my solo dolo is good too. The first thing I'm listening for with any song I listen to, I don't know about you guys, but is the rhythm, the beat, anything like that. That's what I need to hear first. Because honestly, for me, it might sound stupid, but if the beat you're on, if the rhythm you're on is fucking trash, just get it out of here, because I don't want to hear what you have to say after. You know what I mean? Head Concussion Records. That's lit. Okay, let's see.
Your space cadet with this one.
Gunman the fella run the place, I ain't have a contemplated shot violate, I am the shell of grave with the rifle.
The bass, yo, the bass. Pull up that. I hear that. Hold on. I gotta pull this up.
Russian. Your space cadet with this one.
Gunman the fella run the place, I ain't have a contemplated shot violate, I am the shell of grave with the rifle.
Back again on his one solo dolo. Yeah, the lyrics are up in this one. The lyrics are definitely up in this one, and I said the visuals are tough. On his ones, in and out the house with the matic, yo. Yeah, the man's ad libs, I don't care what nobody says other than Vibes Cartel. I don't remember anybody else with that hey, what that one is different than anything anybody has right now. I'm just trying to even think if there's anybody with anything close to that. It's just so tough. You know what I'm saying? Oh, fully loaded. Alright, now he has his niggas. Definitely, I still prefer New Era than this to this one, but this is definitely better than like London and those type of tracks. So this one, he's definitely, I think he's back on the right track as opposed to like, in regards to the music that he's making again. I think these are coming back to the, oh, these are fucking hits type of shit. You know what I mean? You know that. This a man a foot pop and inside can't miss the music video. Look. Wait, is his hair cut in this video? Oh yeah, it is. I just remember that, bro. Yo, it's so funny when I seen that picture drop. I was like, yo, who the fuck is this? And I realized it's him. Yo, I'm just looking at the visuals of this and the detail of videos. Like music videos have come such a long way, in general, but like in Jamaica especially. Like I'm just looking back at what from Vibes Cartel days, and this is so clean. This is like too clean. You're just looking at it like, I'm assuming this is a concert or a stage show or whatever they had, and they just said, let me film this and see what can happen. But this is clean, man. It looks like a movie.
With the rifle on my face, being torn on my base. Them for know, you're Russian.
Yeah, that shit is sick.
And
And the camera shake effect is tough. I haven't heard him talk about Molly in this song, and that's the one big positive as well. Like, that Molly shit is not it. Niggas need to stop promoting that shit, bro. It's not fucking cool, bro. But to each their own, you know what I'm saying? I definitely think this video is better. I think he's going back to the right track, as I said. Like, when he started naming tracks after places is when he started to lose it for me, man. Like, he did Canada and he did London. Like, I was just like, yo, what the fuck is this? You know what I'm saying? Feel like I get it. You know, you have material, so you're trying to do something, but I feel like those aren't bangers, and it kind of like slowed down the push that he was on. But let me know what you guys think, man. I think overall, I think the song is tough. I think the rhythm is sick, but I'm more anxious or anticipating like what he's coming with next, because we're basically counting on him as one of the new artists of the generation to like do something, you know, like to provide constant hit. That's the one thing about Cartel that nobody can say anything about, is the fact that he dropped music so often. Like, and I think that spoiled stuff for people, right? Because we're like, yo, this guy used to do it. These mans take like 3 months, 4 months, whatever. Skeng is the closest thing to that I see nowadays when it comes to dropping music. That's fire. But let me know what you guys think, man. I appreciate you guys for watching. Peace.